The hippo might be eating your flow. What's the hippo? It's the highest paid person's opinion. It's the opinion or request that comes from on high that changes all your priorities and your scope. Every environment has them roaming around. Now, if we are to become effective managers and coaches, we must become hippo rustlers. Here's the thing, hippos, unlike other animals, will never be extinct. When we're all gone, hippos will still thrive. So, do not try to eliminate or even discourage the hippo. In fact, embrace the hippo because the hippo is inevitable. As a matter of fact, start a hippo ranching program where you are. First, identify the hippos. Second, feed and nurture them. And then you can corral them so that they can be quietly managed.